Counting of votes is also set to take place for 90 Jammu and Kashmir Assembly seats on Tuesday. The BJP has expressed confidence over getting an absolute majority in the House on the basis of the work done over the last 10 years and also since the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir BJP leader Shujat Rizvi is an advocate and has spoken to DD India's Gautam Roy that the people are backing the BJP this time round, he says, and that the members nominated by the Lieutenant Governor will have no role in the government formation process. Let's listen.
Anticipation is building up in Jammu and Kashmir after the three-phase elections for the first time after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. As to what sort of results will they bring forth, we have the BJP Sayyid Shujat Rizvi advocate with us to talk about it. What kind of confidence do you have in terms of how the BJP will fare?
Yeah, we are very much sure because we have worked for the people here, especially in Kashmir. So we are very much sure we will make an independent government here in this union territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
And there is a lot of different demands being made, especially by people like Engineer Rashid, that till the time statehood is not restored in Jammu and Kashmir, no party or no alliance should form a government. What do you make of that sort of a call?
It has already been said by our party open in the parliament that once the time will come, the statehood will be given to this union territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
A lot of your opponents are also saying that the provision of nomination of 5 members of different categories by the LG could or have a role in the government formation process. Is that merely speculation, or is there some truth to it? Could the effective strength of the House be 95 instead of 90?
See, the BJP has taken care of everything and everyone here in Jammu and Kashmir, and this is one that 5 these legislative members in the induction of these members can be taken, but that too is possible after once the government is being made and run by us.
Right. Mr. Rizvi, thank you for speaking to DD India. There you have it. The BJP saying that it's confident that it can form the government, a historic government in Jammu and Kashmir, and then grant statehood to J&K as well. And in that process, as far as the 5 nominated members by the LG is concerned, they will not have a role. That can only happen after the government has been formed in Jammu and Kashmir. With camera person Lalit Kumar, Gautam Roy, Srinagar, DD India.